God. My goodness gracious. My goodness gracious. I'm on to drink holy water on top of this record, man. Nah, like, I don't understand. Where do we go from here? Where do we go from here, actually, guys? Where do we go from here? Next record is Portable and Small Doctor. Now, Portable is on a freaking run of features. This was a song that came, how many weeks? Like, back to back, Portable has been aggressively putting out records just to remind and let people know that he's more than Zazu. He put out one record that was Ogo Forever that I absolutely like and enjoyed. Had like a prayer-esque moment. Where he was basically singing out of admiration for the fact that of knowing where he has come from, and I like that record. I like that sentiment. He had another one with Barry J. I don't think I got to hear that record yet, but yet again he has another one with Small Doctor. Small Doctor being one of the biggest artists on the underworld of Nigerian music, man. There's a whole different industry that goes around. That not necessarily mainstreams, not necessarily Apple Music friendly, but more like Audio Mac, more like YouTube. And Portable and Small Doctor are two of the big faces of that scene right now, and they came together on this new record called Neighbour. I'm excited to hear this one, man. Let's get right into it. This one is called Neighbour, Portable, and Small Doctor. Let's go.
You can call me Small Doctor. Hello, my neighbor. How you doing?
Okay.
Are you feeling okay?
Okay.
If you feeling okay, that can rubber looking. Neighbor focus on neighbor. Put my peso dialogue on.
Wait it talk. Put what oboe inside what? What is this nigga saying?
Focus on neighbor. Put my peso dialogue on neighbor.
What the fuck? What the fuck is this nigga saying? Nah, that is graphic. That is very, very graphic, bro.
If you wanna be so good, I can't balance it, and you go, I do go, I never put a man do go,
Online, the beat is interesting. I think there's something interesting about the beat, but like I can't get over the fact that Portable is being very portable on this record. It's being very portable, man. Very raunchy, very like, and anyway, let's hear.
If you back to the way no sweetie, you fuck another woman.
Huh? What did this nigga just say? What did he say? I beg. What did this guy talk? What is going on this record? I beg, man. No, he didn't just say that, bro. He didn't just say that. Did I hear this well? No, let me hear it again. I don't know if I heard it.
If you back to the way no sweetie, you fuck another woman.
Hey, Portable. Dr. Zell. You have tried though. You have tried. Portable, you have tried. Oh man, sorry, let me put up the poll, man. You guys are going nuts in the chat. This is interesting, man. Where does Small Doctor come in, man? The premise of this is about disturbing your neighbor, but not in that way. Not in like in the blasting music. It's a very, very, very dirty song, bro. Wait, Toto we no sweets. I know they use what? I beg. Yo, nah. What did he say? I beg. Yo, how is this? No, this has to be satirical, man. This has to be satire. There's no way he's singing this with a straight face. There's no way this nigga is singing this with a straight face. Nah, man. There's no way. Who said they should put this one out, man? Nah.
wá lẹ́yìn lóbo ó láwọn ó kálá sóko àwọn ọmọ Nintendo wọ́n ti ké tí wọ́n lọ.
Okay, small doctor, I beg, I take God beg you, save the song, do something with the beat. The beat is very interesting, but this nigga has distracted me so much, man. I thought the beat is interesting. You can do something with the beat, like, but I beg, small doctor.
Àwọn ọmọ Nintendo wọ́n ti ké tí wọ́n lọ wọ́n ti gbọ́ kankan mọ́ ọ̀rọ̀ owó nìkan ló fẹ́ gbọ́. Ṣẹ̀bọ̀n yé òkàn yé wọ́n láwọn máa wà Karawa láti wá jà Karawa àwa ta ti là Karaba everybody tàn Karawa wọn kì í ná búrẹ́dì o eléyìí tó bá fẹ́ ló máa sọ. Ó ní kì í sanwó kì í tòdò no dey read me ta na him make am no dey show signal ojú la.
Portable has come back, man. God. Why they carry
Yóò bó ti bàjẹ́ kékeré oko sàtàrí ẹ̀pọ̀ o òbò jápọ̀ mọ́ fùrọ̀ òbò tẹ́pọ́lé lóṣòdì o òbò kòdì ní Mùṣín wọ́n ti dòpa lákèké everybody ló máa ń do òbò $10 làjọ máa ń do ta ló ní kí n máa do.
Hey God. My goodness gracious. Man, I to drink holy water on top of this record, man. Nah, like, I don't understand. Where do we go from here? Where do we go from here, actually, guys? Where do we go from here? Like, Yo. Nah. There's no way that somebody said, you know what? Toto way no sweet. It said use condom. Man. God. I get in the mud. Mike, come outside. Come and defend this, I beg. I get in the fucking mud, bro. No fucking way. There's no way Portable said, nah, bro, nah. Anyway, bro. I thought Small Doctor was doing something there, man. I thought Small Doctor was like, he was getting with the beat, he was being eventful, giving us nice cadence to roll with. But Portable said, nah, G, let me come back. Toto win no sweets. Bro, this was horrendous. Nah, this was bro, what? Mommy Gio must hear of this, But that was very, very interesting, man. That was interesting. Chai. Mike, come outside. Defend your Agege legend, man. Come outside. Nah, this was crazy. You guys are 73% no on this record, man. That was wild. That was a wild record, man. Someone said we need to detox. We definitely need to detox. We need a cleansing song, I beg. We need a cleansing song. Ozumba, by the way. Remix with Fireboy. Go cleanse this one, I beg. Let's see. But man, this was... I'm going back to the comments, and then at the beginning, you guys were saying I should not react to this. Mike was saying I shouldn't react to this. I was like, it says, palmwinepapi, YouTube will ban you if you play this song. I see why. I see why. People were funny. You guys are funny. You guys were actually telling me in the comments not to react to this. That I am warned. You guys do well. I didn't see the comments early enough. You guys not doing me well at all, man. Yo, thank you so much for watching that video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Of course, it's just my opinion. I would love to know yours in the comment section. That was also a clip off of New Music Friday live stream, where we show up every Friday night, 5:30 EST, 11:30 West African time, where we actually listen to new music, get reactions, and get to vote on each song. It's always a fun ride, so definitely tap in and hit the notification bell if you haven't, okay? That's when you know when we're live, alright? Thank you so much for watching, and enjoy the rest of the videos on the channel as well, okay? Let's go!